My name is Peter Antonio. I'm the Managing Director of In Advance. We're a specialised quality and technical advisory supporting developers and construction companies throughout Australia. I started my career in construction with Brookfield Multiplex on the Money Box building in Martin Place. I took a quick detour to New York for 3 years, working for a high-end residential developer. In Advance is all about getting your quality and technical assumptions correct in advance of you actually starting construction. During construction, we also do site inspections where the Billie software has been very useful. These site inspections look at all things quality and technical to make sure that the approved designs are being followed and that risk is mitigated early to prevent downstream issues. So in our industry, time is very critical. Tools like Billie Onsite allow us to focus more of our energy on the site, focusing on the issues that we want to actually raise and less on the administrative burden of putting a report together. It means that when we deliver a report to a client, they're getting a report that is of a high level of quality, has more items considered, and is more valuable to the client. We did test a number of systems prior to Billie Onsite, and what we found the nature of our site inspections is we do not focus on one particular discipline, we focus on a range of disciplines. So being able to jump between a waterproofing issue, a fire rating issue, a mechanical issue freely and allow that to be tagged with the voice and AI capabilities means that we're able to generate a report and insights in a manner that is more valuable to us. I think it's the simplicity of Billie Onsite, it's the customized AI tagging that allows you to tailor it to your company's or your discipline's requirements. So we typically use multiple tags for each item where our focus is on high risk, low risk and medium risk items so our clients can prioritize their time when they're reading our reports. But we also tag items based on discipline as well. So having 2 tags per item has been very useful. It does have the capability to have 3 or 4, but we've found that 2 to be the cleanest for our use case. So for tracking and verification purposes, the tags are used to quantify the number of items per discipline, to quantify the number of items per risk level. So if we're inspecting multiple sites for one particular client, we can very quickly say to them, which site potentially has more severe issues that they need to focus their attention on, and which site is generally tracking okay. Numbers is everything, so we need to quantify those tags into numbers and risk, and that's why we use them. And that's why they're so powerful when presenting to a client. So if we're doing an inspection solo, then obviously you can use the app to its full potential where you're reciting exactly what you want to say without any repercussions. If you're with a client, obviously you've got to be a bit more careful. In that instance, we would typically take some more photos, do some more markups on those photos, and maybe leave some shorter voice memos to prompt our thinking when we actually go back and finalize the report. But even those little prompts can be linked to your database of responses from previous reports, and it can pick up what your response should be in a more descriptive manner. The AI knowledge agent can learn from our own data that we're raising. So the more inspections that we do, the more accurate the AI knowledge agent will be when representing In Advance's data as a company. So it's something we'll definitely be leveraging more of over the next few months once we undertake more inspections. And we may have to add additional context or add some diagrams from Australian standards or NCCs and things like that. If we're able to formulate what our response would have been, all we would need to do is utter those few words on site and the holistic response would be ready by the time we got back to our desktop. And then it's simply just proofreading to see if it's the correct context. I would say within a month, the amount of time we've saved generating reports has paid for the app itself over 12 months.